Sunday, the 26th, at about almost midnight Germany time. I don't know what time it is here. I'm at my aunt and uncle's house. Flew out this morning from Frankfurt around 11 this morning, and I'm gonna be in the States for like 2 weeks. This week I'm going to Savannah for a little bit to look at a house and hang out with my friend Justice. Then from Savannah I'm gonna go to my grandma's house to hang out for a couple days, and then I'm coming back to Atlanta. I'm in Atlanta right now, flying from Atlanta to San Diego for a robotics competition, and I'm gonna try and make a video every day. I'll probably do like some voiceover at the end of the day, so I'm not going through the whole thing just mumbling on about whatever. So just kind of laid back. Definitely gonna go try and take some pictures. Headed out to Jekyll, just around that Savannah area where there's a lot of water. Probably gonna try and fish, maybe at least some. That's the plan for this week. I will keep you updated with more.
He's with me.
All right.
G.
All right. Flying time is scheduled for exactly 10 hours today. In just a moment, I'm going to show you a video about the safety features on board the Boeing 767. Flight attendants will be in the aisle during this video, and once it's completed, we are available if you have any questions about these safety features. Thank you for your attention and welcome on board.
Minutes. We hope you enjoy the flight. Weather should be nice in Atlanta when we get down there. Again, it'll be landing about 25 minutes. Flight the flight attendants prepare the cabin, please.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Thank you. Have a good one.
Zoom. That was a record-breaking baggage pickup. In and out, 30 seconds. What flavor?
I gotta look first.
Don't touch my dart. We're taking the dart. Oh no, that's the wrong zone. Dang it. I wanted a dart. Not a Prius.
I like the Nissan.
Then go with the Nissan.
It's right here. Let's get this one.
The great one.
Oh. Do you need my license again? Are you sure? Okay, it's in the back. I can get it. Okay. Oh, ma'am. What flavor is that?
Pink.
Does she get shampoo too, Daddy?